I'm Marlein Wiertsema, and I'm a Dutchie living in the south of Sweden with my partner, 2 kids and cat. I work for Ingka Group. We're the biggest IKEA retailer, and in my job I focus on developing and innovating the fulfillment of what we call core services, like for example last mile deliveries and click and collect services. I'm a values-driven person, and IKEA is a values-driven company. So being able to work on development and innovation at a company like IKEA is, I always say, like being a kid in a candy store. And trying to make a positive impact on the everyday lives of the many people is ensuring that I'm happy to go to work every day. What I can say is that I will not talk about that we are selling 170,000 hot dogs on an average day. And according to our Live at Home report, 56% of us people are either looking to move or renovate our home in the next 2 years. I'm not going to talk about that, but what I can say is that I will share some interesting figures like the ones that I shared to help us stay relevant in our services offer for our customers. Yeah, I think it's going to be an inspiring few days, and where I will get to engage with others in similar fields, and that peer-to-peer connection and learning from each other is so incredibly important. There are some really big topics on the table that we can't solve by just reading some white papers. So I think it will be very interesting to hear more about other companies' approach to key topics and that are affecting all of us, and learning and evolving together. Of course, the politically correct answer would be that I'm excited to listen to all speakers. But if I have to pick, I have 2 that I very much look forward to, or especially look forward to, maybe better. So one will be Lego. As companies, I believe we are sharing a lot of similarity when it comes to our thoughts on play and the importance of fostering creativity and learning and innovation. Lego is a really good example of a company who has really reinvented themselves and still are trying to make everyday life better. And then of course we had a collaboration in the past as well, IKEA and Lego. So I'm very curious to see what's on their agenda now. And then another very interesting topic for me that's very dear to my own heart is the future circular. And then, of course, from a business point of view, this is something that we are focusing on a lot as well, especially in the coming years. So I'm very interested in learning from the approach of the companies that will be joining that presentation and then what lies ahead.